What is up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. Now, I'm going to make this one short and sweet. I'm going to come back in and check with you guys now. I'll show you everything that we've done. But we did a lot of work to the car. No, I didn't record any of the work that we did. I'm sorry about that. It was such a struggle to do so many things. I'll break that down later. It basically took us like 5 hours to do one thing that I thought wasn't going to take that long. But we did a couple of mods to the car, did a couple of decals, and it looks really awesome. So I'll get into that. I'll break those down for you guys a little bit later. But right now I got to go do a few things. But I did want to check in, and I will see you guys in a second, even though... yeah, they'll just skip right to it. Okay, I'm out. What is up, y'all? Welcome back. We haven't done a video in a while, and this is a good time to do it. I am losing my mind. Please take my... I need to take my dollar. Why didn't you just take it before? Okay, I'm gonna lose it. Please, just, I'm setting you in there. Look at that. I know it wants to do it. Yo, I can't tell you how long I've been doing this. Like 10 minutes, and my freaking car is just sitting there. God, I can't, dog, I can't. Okay, I wish I had another dollar on me, but I don't. I don't have one. I'm missing $1 dog. That's all I need is $1. You take this dollar, and I will be your friend. You are kidding me. Please, please. Dog, I can't put it in much further. I'm walking. We're walking. Take it, please. To make quarters. Let's go to this machine. Yep, we're going to an outside machine. Oh, this one's wet. Fluff. This ain't gonna work. Okay, one try. Let's go. Take my dollar. Take it. Take it, take it, take it. Putting it in the wrong way, but it's fine. Okay. That one's wet, so I don't want to ruin the dollar bill. Let's go look for a quarter, dog. Dude, please. Are you cereal? It's not even wet. It's like a Honeycrisp dollar. Oh. Oh, I took it out when it had it. Okay, please. Oh my gosh. We are on the verge of making history. The worst history. Come on, please. Okay, it's right there. Oh yeah, I know you like that dollar. Take it. Take the dollar. Oh my gosh, you're gonna keep making that noise. Okay, you pulled it. It pulled it, but it didn't take it. No, oh my gosh. Okay, now you're just not. Now you're playing with me, dog. Okay, you're playing with me. No, dude, dude. Come on, dog. Dude, I can't do this. I'm about to freak out. I'm about to go home. It's just somewhere warm, but it's snowing. Okay, so we're back. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like, the decals, and then I'll show you what we did under the hood. Okay, so actually, hold on, let me get my coat. Here's around the car. We added some stripes, and then we put the stickers for the cold air intake that we added. So there you go. So this is what we're rocking with. Woo! What is up, y'all? I know I'm stopping in. This is going to be the outro of the video. I know it wasn't super long. I didn't have a lot of content. I did have some, but it was just kind of me messing off, just trying to get things to work, and it never worked. So basically what you saw is I was at, not the gas station. I was at the car wash, and I couldn't get the last dollar, so I couldn't finish washing my car. I just threw it in because I thought it was funny. Even though it was annoying, I thought it was funny. So as you can see, we installed a decal, so stripes on the side. We put the stickers from the K&N. So we installed a K&N cold air intake. Pretty sure we did it right. It took us like 5 hours. I would have recorded it. It's supposed to take like 90 minutes. It took 5 hours. So yeah, it was just a struggle the whole time. So, oh man. So if you're not really good mechanically, maybe have someone help you or something, dog. It took forever. Also, Pete Barry Sanders, you can see my man. All right, I got to do some work on my main channel. I got to eat some pizza as well. But I just want to hop in here and say I appreciate all of you guys for the continued support on all three of my channels, Dose of Gaming, my main channel, Dose of DN 2.0, and some of you guys that are rocking over here. I will have updates to car things that we do as we do things. If you guys have any ideas on things that I should do with my car, let me know in the comments below. Yeah, but that's basically it. So I will keep you guys updated. This won't be... unless you guys want to see other things. I mean, it doesn't have to be all car stuff. I mean, we can do, like, challenges or something over here. I'd love to do challenges. That's going to be fun. So if you want to see, like, cracker challenge, I don't know. Whatever you guys want to see, comment below. But I do appreciate you guys. Thank you for watching. And I'll see you guys on one of my 3 other channels. Or maybe even this channel. I'm out.